If you've ever seen those flashing red and blue lights in your rearview mirror, then you know the pain of paying a ticket, and now you need one of those sweaty machines for that. But what about getting one of those red light camera tickets in the mail? They're hotly contested, but one Kansas City area attorney says you should never pay it. Howard Lotven is here to explain. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Now, I have one of the cameras at literally an intersection like 100 feet from my home, so I know it's not just going through a red light, because I'm kind of like, when I see the yellow light, I slow down. But it's also, you know, kind of rolling through, not coming to a complete stop when you turn right, or not yielding properly. So there are a lot of them out there, and you know, there's not a police officer to, you know, get you. It's the camera, and they have video, they've got pictures of you. Does it put a mark on your record?
It can. First of all, the reason that it's not if you're a Missouri resident is because in 2008, the Department of Revenue Driver's License Bureau said, we're not going to put them on the record. Tomorrow, they could change their mind, and they could end up being on the record. Furthermore, if you're not a Missouri resident, don't have a Missouri driver's license, you live in another state, if it gets transferred to that state, then it falls under their rules. So if you live in Kansas, under Kansas rule, that might be a moving violation and may show up on your record, even though Missouri does not consider it a moving violation.
So are they constitutional?
Yes and no. They are constitutional at this point because no court in Missouri has ruled them unconstitutional, but the Missouri Supreme Court has not viewed this issue yet and has not ruled on this issue. So it's still an open question.
Okay, so why not just, you know, pay the ticket, get it over with?
Well, the reason is that the type of system we use on this side of the state, Kansas City, Grandview, Excelsior Springs, Sugar Creek, they cannot prove the ticket if there's a trial, if the right objections are made, because neither the video or proof of your ownership can come into evidence. And so the court has to find you not guilty because the prosecutor can't get the evidence in to show that you're guilty.
So the picture and the video is not enough?
No. If you make the right objections, they can't make what we call foundation, so the video is not admissible, and without the video, they can't convict you.
And that's when you need to hire an attorney? Because
correct. That's exactly it.
So you know all the rules. Now, if I go to court, should I talk to a prosecutor?
No.
No.
The prosecutor's job is to convict you of that ticket. They are not going to give you the advice and the information you need to win your case.
Okay, so any final advice for those folks out there that they get it in the mail, they open the mail, oh, they caught me?
I would call an attorney who is experienced in doing this, tell them where you got it and what jurisdiction and when your court date is. They can tell you what you should do. I advise my clients who call me, you should hire me, have me take care of it, because first of all, they charge $100, I only charge $50.
Okay.
And then the first setting, I'll go to court for you, and most of the time I'll be able to get dismissed, so you don't even have to go to court.
And the best advice is don't run a red light.
That's
right?
The best advice. Don't run a red light because you may be in an accident. You can save lives, you can potentially injure someone else if you run that red light. So not only can you save yourself money from paying a fine or having to hire an attorney, just don't run a red light, right? That's correct. That's the ultimate goal of this.
The ultimate goal. All right. Thank you so much for coming on the show. We appreciate it.